Hi, in this Unity demo video, I'll show you how to download a C# script from the CodeHS editor, and then import that script into your Unity game project. When you have a C# script ready to go in the CodeHS editor, you can export it or download that file by selecting the More tab in the output window. Then select Download. In the Download Your Code window, select the first button, Download Code as Zip File. This will download all of your script files as a zipped file. Once the zip file has been downloaded, navigate to either your File Explorer window or your Finder window. In the Downloads or My Downloads folder, you should see your zip file that you downloaded. On a Mac device, simply select this file twice to reveal the C# script that's inside the zipped file. Once you've unzipped the zip file, you should find your C# script file located in your Downloads folder. Now let's bring this into your Unity game project. To keep things organized in your Unity game project, it's helpful to have a scripts folder within the assets folder. Since I don't have one here, I'm going to create a scripts folder by right-clicking in the project window and then selecting Create Folder and then renaming it to Scripts. And now I'll open my scripts folder. Then locate the C# script file that you've downloaded and simply drag it into your scripts folder in your Unity game project. One thing to note, your script file name should always match the public class in the script. This is called Player Controls. So the script file name should also be Player Controls. This is case specific, so you may need to rename your file so that it matches that public class. So I need a capital P for player and a capital C for controls. Once you've renamed your script file, it should be ready to use.